Anonda with Channel 121 News. We're about to go live as Mandy Lavender interviews Vera Claythorne and Dr. Armstrong at the mysterious and gossiped about Indian Island. Thank you, Anonda. Hello, Dr. Armstrong. I'm Mandy Lavender with Channel 129 News, and I'd like to ask you a few questions about your time here on the island.
Sure, sit down.
Well, Dr. Armstrong, what brought you to the island in the first place?
Well, I received a letter very vague in its terms, requesting me of my services as a doctor to come visit the wife of Mr. Owen. And I thought it would be easy money because of these women and their nerves.
And what do you feel about the deaths of the 5 victims?
Well, all I know is that it's one of us, and we can't do anything about it.
Yes, and how do you think the murderers committing all of these mysterious crimes without a trace?
Well, with Miss Emily Brent, Mrs. Rogers, and Anthony Marston, it had something to do with cyanide or poison. And it must have been a quick chap to kill General MacArthur and Mr. Rogers with one strike.
Well, thank you for your time, Doctor. Now we will be interviewing Mrs. Vera Claythorne. Hello, Mrs. Claythorne. How are you?
Well, my dear, I'm not too sure if I'm doing too fine. Out of all these murders, I'm not sure if I'm going to be next.
Well, how did you end up on the island in the first place?
I received a letter from a Mrs. Owens requesting my assistant services.
Well, how do you expect you and the others to get off the island?
Well, out of all these little figures missing, I'm not too sure if we're getting off. I think it might just be a maze.
Well then, that concludes our interview with Mrs. Claythorne. Thank you, Anonda. Hello, Dr. Armstrong. I'm Anonda. I'm not Anonda anymore!
You're Mandy Lavender.
Okay.
Mandy Lavender.
All right,
Mandy Lavender.
All right, got it.
Okay.
Thank you, Anonda. Hello, Dr. Armstrong. Dang it.
Lavender.
Okay, I got it. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Anonda. Hello, Dr. Armstrong. I'm Mandy Lavender with Channel 129 News, and I'd like to ask you a few questions about your time here on the island.
Sure, continue.
Okay. It's not even in order.
Oh my God.
Thank you, Anonda. Hello, Dr. Armstrong. I'm Mandy Lavender with Channel 129 News, and I'd like to ask you a few questions about your time here on the island.
Okay, very well, continue.
So, Dr. Armstrong, what brought you here into the island anyway?
Well, I received a note very vague in its terms, and
I forgot about the mic. Thank you, Anonda. Hello, Dr. Armstrong. I'm Mandy Lavender with Channel 129 News, and I'd like to ask you a few questions about your time here on the island.
very well, continue.
So, Dr. Armstrong, what brought you into the island anyway?
Well, I received a note very vague in its terms, but it was describing me to come to the island. Oh my God!
Well, Mrs. Claythorne, do you expect you and the others to get off the island?
Patrick!